everyone. So today I am going to discuss three most important non-academic things that you need to make sure that you have considered before choosing a seat in NEET PG counseling. My friends, I almost have a 6 years of management experience, and I have learned a lot of things depend upon a lot of non-academic things that can help you survive in the real world. The very first being, understand, when you are about to take a seat, you will get a choice from around the country, obviously. You are from Delhi, and for example, let's suppose you choose a college in Tamil Nadu, Kerala. For a vegetarian, moving on to a non-vegetarian state is actually going to be a very big thing. I am starting from a very small, stupid point that you might be thinking, ki kya farak padta hai? But trust me, when you think about a 3-year-long period and all you see around you is mutton, fish, and especially in peripheral colleges where getting decent food is like very tough job. Let's be frank on here. You are going to suffer, and that particular thing is going to affect your learning process. So if you are a North Indian and you are planning to move to South Indian, you need to be comfortable with change in lifestyle. And of course, vice versa. A South Indian moving to North Indian, things are going to be different. It's a different climate, it's a different lifestyle, different eating habits. So you need to plan these things also. Because at the end of the day, you need to be attentive in your postings, in your classes, everywhere, in your rounds. And you need to be sure that you are 110% attentive there to have the maximum learning. If you are irritated, fuzzy, if you are thinking, yaar, khana acha nahi mila, these kind of small problems will actually affect your lifestyle there. So think carefully before moving to a different state, different conditions. Building on this, the moment you move to a new area, again, speaking the untold truth, you are going to face a little bit of discrimination. Be okay with that. When you are and no professor ever goes out of their comfort zone to make you comfortable. Let's be clear on that also. Some good people are there outside, I'm not saying that, but again, just being blunt, you will find a little bit of discrimination, language barriers, patient interaction is limited due to language problems, and when the professor is teaching, they basically use their native language, and if it is not, of course, Hindi, I am a Hindi speaking guy, if the other person is not speaking in Hindi, speaking Malayalam, Kannada, you are going to face problems. Within 6 to 8 months, yes, you pick up the words, daily duration, but in the initial period, the time is tough. So be okay with that also. Favoritism is absolutely there. Again, be comfortable with that also. Coming to the third point, and this is one of the major points which is going to affect you. When you are in your PG zone, in your post-graduation days, you form a set of friends around you. Now, these friends are not just doctors, they are specialists in their fields. When you graduate, finally, when you post-graduate, and you move to the real world, these are the people you call whenever you have a problem. Professionally, these are your professional circle. Professional friends, I'll paraphrase again. So, but when you are a North Indian, you go to South India, you spend 3 years there, you make your own professional friends, and when you come back, your professional friends have stayed back. So that 3 years, the networking in those 3 years absolutely goes down to waste. Until unless some of these people move here and then you have a group form. When you come back here, you have to form a group again. It looks easy, but it is not. And the difference being, these people were your professional friends. These are going to be your professional colleagues. Colleagues, you always have a favor up and down. If you take a favor, you have to return a favor someday. Let's be clear. But in your friends, it is not like that. You know, he's my friend, he's going to do something for me if they're your good friends. And that particular feeling comes from the heart. Okay, if he asks for help, we don't expect a favor, we just say, okay, yaar, he's an old friend, and we have a proud feeling that we graduated together, we are an alumni of the same college. So that particular feeling is actually there. So if you are a North Indian, and if you think that, okay, I have to stay in, for example, North Indian area only, try and choose a college in North India. Because the people that you make friends with, they are going to stay in the same area. Maximum of them, majority of them. They are not going to fly back to South India or somewhere else. This is going to help you 10 years down the line. Whenever you need somebody, you have a set of friends you can depend upon. Building on this, if you are planning to stay in this area, and again, you have a set of friends, the moment you start going for job searching, your any other potential career choice, you have these people where you can find contacts, where you can help build a better network, and of course, it looks for a better career growth. So take these 3 points very, very carefully. I know some of these might sound stupid, but trust my word, as a management experience, with management experience, that they are actually going to help you a lot. So I wish you nothing but the best for NEET PG counseling. I'm sure it must be starting soon now. So again, best of luck and congratulations for your great rank. Thank you so much.